Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November 20th, 2020, and I was thinking one of my mom's favorite flowers is carnations. And carnations can take a while to bloom from seed. The Chabaud La France, which is the ones that we're going to be planting today, can take about 130 to 140 days from seed to bloom. And I thought my mom might like some carnations for Mother's Day. So I know Mother's Day is in May, but I want to get these blooming early enough so that I can do some arrangements for her for Mother's Day. So hopefully this experiment works. Now I have grown these already and started them early indoors under my lights, and it worked. So this is the first time that I'm trying them out in the greenhouse. So I'm out in the new greenhouse today. And these take about 7 to 14 days to germinate. Now you can choose to start these later. This is just an experiment. It was an idea that I had, and I just wanted to go with it. So hopefully here it works. And you can grow carnations in greenhouses. It's done all the time. So I'm just going to take my seeds here. I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'll have a link down in the description if I can find a link for the mix. And you can see this is the carnation seeds here. Now this is an heirloom. This is a French heirloom. And there are a lot of different varieties in the Chabaud series. Oops, missed my seed there. And I've been growing carnations from seed since about 2004. And this is my mom's favorite mix. Go. And I'm just pressing it in with the back of my nail. Now we're gently going to cover these. And I mean we're barely going to cover them. I'm not even putting 1/8 of an inch on top of them. I'm just barely covering them. And a little bit of it, I can still see the seed. Now, I'm going to give it a nice gentle mist across the top here. Get that seed coating nice and moist there. I was planting pelleted seeds, that's why I said seed coating earlier. Hold on here. I gotta put more water in my sprayer. There we go. So, one thing you want to make sure when you plant your seeds is that your seed starting mix does not dry out. So, a gentle mist across the top will work. Or you can put this in some water if it starts getting a little dry and let it soak it up through the bottom. But my preferred method is this right here, because you won't rot your seeds this way, whereas you could the other way. The 130 to 140 days to bloom is after you transplant them out of these little cell packs. So that's why, another reason why I'm starting them so early. So I really hope this works, because I really want to give her something nice for Mother's Day. So when these start coming up, I will come back and I will show them to you. And this particular series here, it has a wonderful clove-like scent to it. Now to me it kind of smells sort of like cinnamon, but they call it cloves. So it is definitely scented. And these get about 24 to 30 inches tall. So there are ways to get larger blooms out of your carnations. If you remove like your side blooms off, your main flower will get larger. But this particular one, the La France, is a beautiful shell pink, and it had really nice big flowers on it. So I'm hoping that it's going to do as well in the greenhouse as it did the last time that I grew it outside. So when these start germinating, I will come back in this video and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is December the 4th, 2020, and You can see here that my carnation seedlings did germinate for me. They started germinating November the 25th, and I kept them in the little enclosed container until December the 3rd. I moved them out because most of them had come up and pushed the seed coating off. So you can see my little seedlings here. Now when these start getting their true leaves, I am going to start feeding them. I'm going to be using Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food, 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and I'm going to be feeding them once a week. And by feeding your plants, it helps them to establish a nice root system. So when these are ready to be transplanted, then I will come back with another video, and I will show you how I transplant them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.